What's going on, guys? Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we have this 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT that we just got done lifting. If you guys have a Silverado and you want to get it lifted and want to figure out what wheels and tires or what lift kit to go with, take a look at what we did with this one. To get started, the lift kit is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit with the strut spacers. With this being a 2020 with little miles, there's no reason to go ahead and replace the factory struts. So we just added the strut spacer by rough country on top of the factory strut. If you do have a vehicle that does have a little bit more miles, you can go with the extended strut so that would replace the factory strut and kind of give you some of that ride quality back from like you would had from factory. The third option for your lift kit is you can go with the Vertex reservoir shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality overall. If that's something you are looking to do, or if you're going to be driving your vehicle every day, that's something you should be looking into. The tires are going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT. This one's going to be a mix between the mud terrain and all-terrain tires, so it's going to give you the best of both worlds with the aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread, and kind of give you that aggressive look and some of those off-road capabilities, but it's also going to be a very good everyday tire if you're going to be driving this as your normal vehicle. It's going to give you the quieter ride and a longer tread life thanks to the more compacted center tread that this tire has. Two other options for a hybrid tire like this one is going to be your Knit Verge Grappler, which is one we highly recommend, but also the Toyo Open Country AT3. Down here we have the 22x12 Fuel Blitz, and this one's going to have that -44 offset, which is going to give you that nice concave look and also push that wheel and tire package out a couple inches, giving it a nice wider stance and a little bit more aggressive look. This one does have the open lug, so if you wanted to, you could run some spiked lug nuts with this one. But I really like this wheel, and it comes in a couple of different finishes as well as a lot of different sizes. So if you guys want to check out all those options, I would recommend it because there are some other really good options as well. So overall, this is a really good looking truck. I love the black on black. So if you guys are interested in doing the same thing to yours, make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.